Hey there, Disney fans! Welcome back to our channel. We have something truly magical in store for you. We're going to explore the top spots at Disney California Adventure Park, catering to every member of the family. So, whether you're here with your little ones or just a group of adults looking for some thrills, we've got you covered. First up, we have the Hollywood Lounge. It's a fantastic spot for the adults in the group. Enjoy some delicious cocktails and soak in the glamorous atmosphere of Hollywoodland. For all you Marvel enthusiasts out there, Avengers Campus is a must-visit. Join the Avengers, meet your favorite superheroes, and even take a swing on the thrilling Web Slingers ride. Now, let's make our way to the port of San Francisco. This area is perfect for the whole family. Experience the charm of Big Hero 6 and enjoy a variety of attractions suitable for all ages. Calling all adrenaline junkies, Pixar Pier is home to the Incredicoaster, an exhilarating ride that's not for the faint of heart. While the adults take on this coaster, there are plenty of other family-friendly attractions around the pier. Next, head over to the Animation Academy. You can get creative and meet iconic Disney characters like Anna and Elsa. It's a delightful experience for kids of all ages. If you're a fan of Disney's magical world, don't miss the Sorcerer's Workshop and the Beast's Library. It's like stepping right into your favorite Disney films. Did you know that this restaurant was inspired by Snow White's premiere? The attention to detail here is incredible, making it a perfect place to enjoy a meal fit for a prince or princess. Be sure to try the Snow White-inspired dishes, and maybe even the poison apple teeny. It's an absolute treat. Now let's go under the sea. Under the sea. Dive into the enchanting world of Ariel with the Little Mermaid ride. Now, to end your magical day, don't miss World of Color, the breathtaking nighttime spectacular. It's a mesmerizing water and light show that'll leave the whole family in awe. So, there you have it, our ultimate guide to Disney California Adventure Park, catering to everyone in your group. Make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons